Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the latest features of the Magento 2.3.4 or 2.3.3 version. Now currently the version is 2.4.3 version I have installed. If you want to check like how this install Magento 2.4.3, we you can just tell me. I can upload the video for the 2.4.3. It's just basically the same as 2.4.1 if you install, or 2.4.2. Basically the funder is here is all the data, all the index file is basically on the pub folder, pub directory. So keep in mind, in the database you just need to replace the web secure URL or secure URL with pub. Otherwise you are getting 404 error. So to check this, keep in mind, like if you install Magento 2.4.3 or 2.2 to 4.2, just make sure in the database the configuration files, the config core config data, you need to just put the path of your directory with pub, so that you can access the Magento 2.4.3 version. Otherwise it will giving the error 404 not found, CSS issues and all. So keep in mind the index file is switched to the pub directory and not in the main root directory. So for like in you can also make the you can say what it is, I like virtual host. Yeah, you can create a virtual host and take this path to redirect to this path as a root folder. Then the like if you want like www.com, so it can be, you use virtual host and it can be mapped with the pub directory, then automatically it will work with the, if you're not adding the pub directory. Okay, so this is for the Magento 2.4.3. when you get the issue, the index file is not found, page not found, and CSS is not working in 2.4.3, just need to take care of all these things. Okay, I have faced the issues that I have already known in that video. Next we are going to tell what are the new features in Magento 2.4.3. So going to the next, we have the login as a customer. Okay, so let's create one customer and check whether we can log in or not. So this is a new feature, login as a customer. Okay, so let's create a new customer. So I'm just going to the main website and create one new customer. Okay, so this is the main website. I'm going to create an account. First name. This is the new feature. This allows merchants to see what you see and take actions on the behalf in order to provide better assistance. So if you want to check, you can check. Okay, otherwise I'm not going to check it. Email test 41@gmail.com, password. Okay, so which I have done this one, testing 41@gmail.com. I'm going to create this account. So the account is created. Okay, so let me log out with this and check whether this function is working or not. Let's go to the Magento, go to the customer, log in as a customer. We haven't find these records, login as a customer log. It's not, I think the customer logs is not there. Let me check what are the customer records. This is done. Let's check. This is the option, login as a customer. Let's see. This user has not enabled allow remote shopping assistant. That means if you check allow remote shipping assistants. So let me write this also. What's the issue with that? So it says the user has not enabled the allow remote. So when you check this, then you can able contact the customer to discuss it. Okay, let's check whether we have the this part so that we can check it from here and allow remote shipping. So I'm just enabling it and save that customer. Now we can check. Now go to the edit, login as customer, login. Allow this pop-up. See, now you are logged in. This is my account, which is previously. You are connected to the main website. See, you are now connected to the main website. This is the new feature in the Magento 2.4.2 or 2.4. Basically, I have installed the 2.4.3. So this feature is new in Magento 2.4.3 for the customer. You can log in as a customer. Previously, this feature is not available. We are always putting extensions to log in as a customer and something like that. But now this feature is now available in 2.4.3 version. Magento has upgraded this feature in latest versions, so we can use these features. In next video, we are going to discuss with the new features of Magento. Okay, so keep with us, and if you haven't watched, subscribe this video. So please subscribe it so that I can be motivated to add more videos for you. And if you want any other session for Magento, if you want to learn anything, just you can comment and I will make a video on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.